okutendeka bisikyaba kwembiru ekitongole kitali kya gavumenti ekya Rural Disabled Women Association. Arasika abagenyi olukukola n'ekitongole kya Rural Disabled Women Association nagira ngu ekikozerwa okworeka abazaire abaine abaana baine omulema mbere yabo ngu nabo nibabasa kugira eki bayekorera bebiiseho.
Abazaire tibakwenda kukora their roles towards these children who have disabilities. Abazaire bacha tibakwenda n'okumanya ngu omwana omulema nawe we put in a lot of effort in supporting our girl to complete P7, Senior 4, campus.
Hona abana bwo bariyo nibegisa bikyabo bwayo bwabo okwera okumara henta kimazire ziri kubaganzya.
We also teach them their rights, kumanya their rights, so that abandi abantu bareke kubajuma, other people, they should not abuse them of their rights. We also do advocacy on gender justice for women.
Hina bisha bitugambireho nabo abariyo nibatendeka eby'emikono kandi batugambira oburemezo barukora mu miturire yabo.
But eventually the problem with it, after they have pregnanted somebody, they don't take her, they leave her at home. So she keeps at home with the pregnancy.
Omukuru oguhona nabo gwikirwa omukuru w'entebe ya Katana bwa district ya Bundubujo kandi nagira nka district bariyo nibakora ekikubasika okurwanirira obugayo bw'abarema.
So nka district ya Bundubujo abantu abo tukolora kuwonka. First of all, mu department ya community based services inemo grant igikuruga ha district eno negenda direct ku benefitinga abantu abanyakwino obulema abali omu bitongole ebya community based organization.
Gasha kwa Jonan Singwire.